Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your EngageBay CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a contact in your EngageBay CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a contact in your EngageBay CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your leads or your clients write back with a nasty message. So sometimes it's better just to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EngageBay CRM account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EngageBay CRM, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove one of your contacts, here on the top left, you're going to hover over contacts. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and then click on the contacts menu. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your contacts or leads in your EngageBay CRM. You can see I just have these 4. So in order to delete or remove one of these, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. First off, the easiest way you can do it is just click the box next to their name. If you're going to be deleting more than one contact, go ahead and click more than one box. Once you've done that, you're going to look for this button up here on the top, bulk action. Once you click on there, you're going to scroll down until you click on delete. So that's the easiest way. Another way you can do this is, let me go ahead and uncheck these. Off to the right of their name, you're going to see these 3 dots. You can go ahead and just hover over it, and then you can go ahead and click on delete. And another way you can do this is go ahead and just click on the contact. And once you do that, you're going to see more information about them. And then you can click on the trash can button right above their name. And then lastly, if you want, you can go ahead and hover over these 3 dots and you're going to see the delete button as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact in your EngageBay CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.